Is your Patriot Bank online experience still stuck in the slow lane? I know mine was for a while. For a bank that offers all these great digital tools, like mobile deposits, Zelle, and card controls, I felt like I wasn't using them to their full potential. I had all the features, but none of the efficiency. I'm talking about how you can stop manually tracking your spending, protect your debit card from fraud in a tap, and skip the whole "where's that statement" headache. After diving into the system myself, here are the 3 must-know Patriot Bank online banking hacks that completely changed how I manage my money. Hack 1. The Account Alert Masterclass. This is the biggest time saver. Forget logging in every day just to check on things. I set up real-time account alerts for almost everything. First, the obvious one, a low balance alert. I set mine just high enough to avoid an overdraft, which gives me a safety net. Second, the large transaction alert. I have this set for any single charge over, say, $100. This is my absolute best defense against unauthorized spending. If I get an alert for a big purchase I didn't make, I know immediately. I don't have to wait for a statement or for a manual review. That instant notification is the true hack for rapid fraud detection. Third, the specific check cleared alert. If I write a check for a large bill, I use the online banking system to set an alert for when that exact check number clears. No more waiting to see if it went through. I just get a quick text, and I know the payment is done. Hack 2. Card Valet for instant security. This isn't a hidden feature, but most people don't use it to its maximum potential. The Card Valet, or debit card controls feature, is your instant security guard. My biggest fear with a card is losing it or having the number stolen. Instead of calling the bank, waiting on hold, and canceling the card, I just toggle the card off in the app. Lost my wallet at the grocery store? Tap. Card is off. If it turns up, I tap it back on. The true power, though, is with merchant and location restrictions. If I know I'm not going to be using my physical card internationally, I can restrict all international transactions. If I want to make sure my card is only used at places I trust, I can limit the merchant categories. You are giving yourself military-grade control over your card with a simple on-screen menu. Hack 3. Go paperless for organization. This one is simple, but it's a hack for your mental organization. I made the switch to e-statements and haven't looked back. Why? Because the online system is a better filing cabinet than my desk. All my statements are instantly archived and searchable. No more shredding or worrying about sensitive paper documents sitting in my mailbox. A bonus of going paperless is I often use the ability to view pending transactions. Unlike a physical statement that only shows cleared funds, I can see what payments are about to hit, which helps me manage my cash flow for the next 24 to 48 hours. That tiny window of insight is invaluable for tight budgeting. By leveraging the immediate, precise alerts, taking full control of my debit card through the app, and switching my documentation over to the efficient digital archives, I've shaved off a significant amount of time and stress from my personal finance routine. These aren't just features, they're the direct, no-fluff ways to make your Patriot Bank online account work for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.